All right, today we're going to look at the wonderful bowline knot. Hundreds and hundreds of uses, but really kind of a pain in the ass to tie. I am going to show you today the single easiest and fastest way to tie a bowline knot. You're going to wonder why you didn't think of it yourself. So let's get right to it. Okay, here we are with the bowline knot. There's a couple ways to tie a bowline knot. First way is kind of hard. The second way is the ultimately fastest and easiest way. The first way is, remember the movie Jaws in 1975 when they're on the boat and Captain Quint is trying to teach Chief Brody how to tie the bowline knot, and he's narrating and he's going like, the rabbit goes into the hole and goes around and comes out of the hole, and yeah, that's a bunch of horseshit. You know, you can learn that method, but the easiest method is this. Okay, we got tag end of the line to the right, we got the other end of the line, working end of the line to the left because I'm right-handed. What we're going to do is we're just going to make a loop, pass it back onto itself, and we're going to make what's called pull up the marlin spike loop. Now, if we had a toggle and we passed it through the loop and just pulled it, we'd have a marlin spike. Wonderful knot. Everybody should learn how to tie marlin spike and how to use it. You can use it for a handhold, a ladder, everything else. But we're not going to use it for that right now. What we're going to do is we're going to tie a bowline out of it. So now we're going to get our working end of the line. We're just going to tie it over, pull it up, and we're going to take our tag end, pass it under the loop, fold it over, and hold it back onto itself. Then you just pull. Now you have a bowline. That's a small bowline, but you know, that's how you're doing it. You're going to make a marlin spike. Let's get a little more there. You're just going to make a marlin spike. Just turn the loop over very easily. Pull the loop up. Now, with a little bit longer tag end, just hold it back, hold it onto itself, then just pull. Bam, you have a perfect bowline. And if you practice this a few times, you can get really fast on a bowline. I mean, let's count to 5. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bowline. Bowline knot in 5 seconds. If it will focus, the perfect bowline knot in 5 seconds. That is the easiest and fastest way that I know that I Okay, for some reason my sound cut out on me there, but here we go. That is the easiest and fastest way that I know of to tie a bowline. Once again, you just start with your line, fold it over to your marlin spike, put it through the marlin spike toggle, and pull. Easiest bowline you'll ever want to tie. Plus, you get a marlin spike out of it. So, if you like this, please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And until next time, this is Matt the Old Florida Boy saying, I'll see you on the trail.